coming back to the real issues, yes, the AAP's failures are glaring us in the face, in the eyes now. Their failure of pollution. AQI today is I think 380. Like I've got a widget on my phone, and it says 362 on the 1st of January. It was unheard of. Their failures in the education sector, which they keep harping on, is also glaring us in the eyes. There has been no new schools. Their capital expenditure is in minus. That can't lie, right? The capital expenditure in the balance sheet can't lie. It's not a creation of me or the BJP or any other party. The AAP has to respond, and none of their panelists have ever had a response on the capital expenditure. That means that they have not created anything new in Delhi. Yes, they've done a nice paint job here or there, and that they've come and projected, saying we've created so many new schools. They have created nothing new. The failure of the Aam Aadmi Party is glaring us in the face, this and the fear of that
But
is leading
Shivam,
them to.
there is also another aspect to it. The fight is between Bharatiya Janata Party and Aam Aadmi Party. Congress is not in the narrative. I mean,
Congress
say
is very much in the
if
narrative.
you look at the way, if you look at the way issues are coming up, it's just BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. That's the hard fact. And even in that, it's only Kejriwal. I mean, so look at the poster. You know, either you like him, you don't like him, but you can't be indifferent to him. Look at the poster. I mean, it's out there. This is not even my interpretation. काम की राजनीति फर्जी वोटर से इश्क है तो एक ही आदमी दोनों में. There is no Congress है.
Kejriwal has got a complete monopoly over the Aam Aadmi Party. Then who else will everyone else talk about? And Kejriwal himself, tell me now, Kejriwal, I'll ask the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, if he manages to win the election, which is looking very, very unlikely today, if he manages to win the election
are you saying as a Congress spokesperson that the BJP is winning?
I'm saying the Congress is winning. I'm saying the Kejriwal is highly unlikely that Kejriwal is going to become the.
That's a long shot, Shivam. You know, that's a long shot.
But if Kejriwal becomes the CM, as they are saying, how will he sign any files? He has been barred by the Supreme Court to do anything.
Okay, he's been barred. Okay, he's not going to file any side. Okay, you wanted to come in, Dr. Nimi Rastogi?
Yes, Karthikeyan. This election is definitely not just Kejriwal centric, it's dominated and will be swept by Kejriwal. Mark my words, we'll talk after 2 months. And another thing, my colleague said that we've not done anything on education. Anybody who's blind to the metamorphosis AAP has done for schools is either in coma or a blind BJP bhakt or a Congress spokesperson like my colleague. You know, the kind of money that has been pumped into the education, this new classrooms, the new universities, you know, all kinds of holding hands of the poor students for their coaching, you know, helping Dalit students to go abroad for their higher education. You name a thing, you know, the entrepreneurial skill program, the skill university, the sports university. Are we all immune to that? I mean, who is this person who's talking about that we have not done anything? If I start enumerating, I will be sitting for another 2 hours and the program will be long over. So I'm sorry, you've got to get your facts right.
Okay, Dr. Gupta.
Even I start laughing, you know, in the classroom, they made this corruption of 1,300 crores. That is still pending, you know. 10 years back, they promised for schools, college. For last 10 years, they could not open even a single college. They could not open even a new school. You know, we have opened the central school. Our honorable MPs, please don't interfere. Please have some patience. When your lies are being exposed, you just interpret. This is the, you know, the policy of the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. You go to every channel. Whenever they are caught red-handed, they just interfere. You know, can they name even a single school, new school I'm talking of? You have just done the painting work in the name of classroom. You know, you took money for 7,137 classrooms and only 4,000 new classrooms or the repainted one. Then you have made a corruption of 1,300 crore rupees. In the liquor scam, you have also done. In the STP, this Delhi Jal Board, you have done a corruption of 28,400 rupees. In the Mohalla clinic, you were talking about the health, not even a single. Even the 6 hospitals which are there, the renovation file is still pending, not even a single. You know, 65,000, the Farji tests were shown, and this Kejriwal Saab has done this Fajwada, this corruption in this Mohalla clinic also. 500 crore panic button ghatala, that is still pending on.
Okay.
571 crore CCTV camera.
Dr. Gupta,
500,
Dr.
400
Gupta,
crore.
Dr.
You know, I'm
Gupta.
mentioning because when
I
their
have
lies
a-
is...
Dr.
yeah.
Gupta, I have a question for you. The same question which I asked Mr. Prasad. Do you think that fake voters can upturn the Delhi elections? Are there so many fake voters in Delhi that they can decide the poll outcome?
I think there are fake voters which are being framed, which are being inducted by the Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party. Definitely in few constituencies, they can influence, like in Okhla and Mustafabad.
And are you
And
making
we
a
have
differentiation
compli- and
between
we have
illegal
com-
immigrants and bogus voters, as Mr. Prasad pointed out?
There are 2-3 types. One is a person who's an Indian national. He's registered in some other state as well as in Delhi. Why? There is a new registration of at the age of 40 and 65 years or 70 years. You know, if a person is there is a voter, he should be of the age of 18. New voter should be of the age of 18 or 20. Why this is so? And this is a thing. And our booth level worker are pointing out. We are been requesting to Election Commission. We are not just doing any unusual demand. It is the job of the Election Commission to verify, to give notice, to do all things. You know, just by my application, they will not do addition or deletion. They have their own process. You know, they send a notice, they do the physical verification, lots of anything. When we have pointed out that there is a 60 to 800 votes per house, they did some verification, then they will take action. Our job as a political party to point out the fake votes which are being made by the Aam Aadmi Party. And you know, definitely, because they are on the verge of losing this election, they are just now depending on these fake votes. I am again saying, few constituencies are there in Delhi where these fake voters can change something.
Okay. Okay. Thank
So
you.
it's going to be an excuse for you to lose.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know, I've been really run short of time.